Welcome to the New Jersey Alliance for Immigrant Justice Know Your Rights training. In this module, we will cover the importance of creating a family emergency preparedness plan. Having your important documents organized and stored in a safe place is essential for emergency preparedness. These documents may be needed for legal matters, immigration proceedings, or access to essential services. Let's go over what you should gather. Start with the most important personal identification documents. That's the driver's license and/or identification card, birth certificate, passport, social security card, or ITIN. Next, make sure you have any relevant family and legal records. That's marriage license or divorce papers, if applicable, arrest and conviction history records, if applicable, caregiver's authorization affidavit, that's a power of attorney, we're going to talk about that in the next slide, and letters of support from community members. Now, these last two documents can help prove financial stability and access to resources, income tax returns and pay stubs, and children's school and medical information. Once you've gathered all your documents, you can store them in a fireproof and waterproof folder. Keep digital copies in a secure, password-protected location, and share copies with a trusted family member or attorney. It's important to identify and share emergency contacts. In an emergency, knowing who to contact is crucial. Identify at least 2 trusted people and share their contact information with your family. These should be individuals who can act quickly on your behalf. Make sure they understand your emergency plan and have access to key information. Then, know and share your A number. If you have an immigration case, know your A number, that's alien registration number, and share it with your emergency contacts. This number is important for legal representation and case tracking and can be used to locate someone recently detained by ICE. Keep a copy written down and stored in a safe place. Third, choosing an emergency caregiver for your children. If you have children, you should designate an emergency caregiver who can step in if needed. Make sure they are listed on your child's school and daycare pickup list, because schools and daycare centers will not release your child to someone who is not on the official list. Fourth, preparing a medication list. If your child or a family member takes medication, create a detailed list for your designated caregiver. That list should include medication names, dosages, schedules, and any specific instructions like take with food or avoid certain activities. Fifth, signing a caregiver authorization affidavit. To ensure your caregiver can make urgent decisions, sign a caregiver authorization affidavit. That's a power of attorney. This document allows them to make temporary decisions in your absence. You should provide a copy to the school, daycare, and the caregiver. Finally, know your rights in case of ICE encounters. It's important that you and your family know your rights if you're stopped by ICE at home, while on the road, at work, or out on the street. You should stay silent, never sign anything, do not open the door without a warrant, and ask to speak with a lawyer. Preparing in advance can protect you and your loved ones in an emergency. Share your plan, update it regularly, and stay informed. Finally, you can scan the QR code to download a copy of the Family Emergency Preparedness Plan. Review it and create your family plan today. Thank you for joining us for the 5th module of our Know Your Rights training. In the next module, we will discuss the Immigrant Trust Directive and NJAIJ's campaign to establish it as law. Thank you. I hope you have a great day.